Dear student, today I am taking general linear model. We have already explained you two linear model estimation properties and coefficient of estimation of coefficient of determination and confidence level standard error. In agricultural farming, many independent variables are involved, so it is not necessary we consider one independent variable. It means fertilizer, irrigation, seed, and set different type of independent variable. For that, general linear estimation is necessary. General linear estimation, one dependent variable and many independent variable. In this topic, we take idea of matrix because in matrix form. Today I am taking general estimation of general linear model and proving their properties. Please carry on, and link of this general linear model also available in my along with my video. Thank you. Dear student, previously I have taken full idea of two linear model, how they estimate their properties, how we calculate the standard error R square coefficient of determination and confidence level. After that, now we are taking general linear model because it is not necessary in any agricultural farming only one independent variable. Many variables are involved to get a yield or any productions. For that, it is necessary we have idea about one dependent variable has many independent variables. This form is called multiple regression. A model can be two variables, three variables, and more than three variables. You can read three variable model in the concerning economics, which book I have recommended you, Mandani Econometrics. Today I am going to take general linear model. General linear model. Let us assume that a linear relationship exists between a variable y and k explanatory variables, k explanatory variable x1, x2, x3 and xk, and disturbance term u. If we have a sample of n observation on y and x, we can write in this way: y1 is equal to b1 x1 x111 plus b2 x21 dash dash plus bk xk1 plus un. Second, y2 is equal to b1 x1 12 plus beta 2 x2 22 plus dash dash plus bk xk2 plus u2. y3 b is equal to b1 y113 plus b2 x23 dash dash bk xk3 plus u3, and so on. N observation yn is equal to b1 x1n plus b2 x2n plus dash dash bk xkn plus un. Here you see for n observation y dependent variable and k independent variable, while betas are unknown coefficients or parameter. U are the disturbance term. In some cases, x11, x12, x13 and x1n, k independent variable are taken to be unity. The system equation can be expressed in the following matrix form. For general linear model, necessary to idea of matrix, which I have given in previous class and course AES 519. Whole expression will now write in matrix form y a matrix which has n rows and 1 columns means column matrix y1, y2, y1 represented the y, and k variable x11, x21 dash dash xk1, x12, x22 dash xk2 dash dash x1n, x2n and xkn. It has n rows and k columns because it has k variables. Now betas depend on the number of variables. Here we have k plus 1 variables, then b1, b2 dash dash bk, betas k into 1 plus error term is also un, u2 up to un. This can be written as capital Y is equal to x betas plus u. Y is a matrix of n by 1 form, x a matrix n by k form, betas a matrix k by 1, and error term is also a matrix n by 1, n by 1. This whole can be written y is equal to x betas plus u, where y is column vector of y observations having order n by 1, x matrix explanatory variables with order n by k, betas column vector of coefficients with order k by 1, u column vector of disturbance term with order n by 1. Here previous assumption we take in matrix form E acceptation ui is equal to 0 for I 1, 2, 3 up to n. In the matrix forms, acceptations of U matrix is equal to 0. This means that disturbance term are variables with 0 acceptations. Second assumption EUI Uj is equal to 0 if I not equal to j and variance of I is equal to j, constant variance. That is, disturbance term are pairwise uncorrelated and they have common variable variance in matrix notation. If we take UI transpose of error term matrix, this is the error term matrix. In a transpose from this, it become a row matrix from the column matrix. Dash. I think you have remember transpose matrix is just interchange the rows into columns and column into rows. Here n by 1 matrix un, u2, u3 transpose of it is a row matrix un, u2, u3, un 1 by n. U dash transpose matrix of u is row and column are interchange in the transpose matrix. On multiplying, for matrix multiplication, it is necessary number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. We multiplying here u dash will get first multiplies rows is this one, this one, this one. When u1 multiply this rows, un square plus un u2 like that, it will become un square un u2 u1 u3 dash dash un un and u2 multiplied u2 un u2 whole square u2 u3 and u2 un dash dash un u1 un u2 un u3 dash dash un square a n by n matrix. Taking acceptation of both sides, e u dash e un whole square e un u2 acceptation of un acceptation of u2 un e u2 whole square e u2 un and v3 multiplying acceptation of u3 un e acceptation u3 u2 dash dash e u3 n and e acceptation of un e un u2 dash dash un square. From this assumption can we write un because we know applying the assumption acceptation of un u2 is equal to 0 except because I not equal to j 1 not equal to 2 and un also 0 means only a diagonal matrix can be get. From this assumption can be written as un is equal to rho square in, where I is the identity matrix. Like that, after applying assumption e un ui uj is equal to 0 if u not equal to j and e un ui uj equal to common variance if I equal to j. Applying this, we will get matrix in this form: rho square 0 0 0 0 rho square 0 0 dash dash 0 0 0 rho square and so on. It is this one. And this can be write in identity matrix taking common u square will get 0 0 0 dash dash 0 1 0 0 like that, a identity matrix. This can be written in the form of un is equal to rho square in, where in is the identity matrix. This property is known as homozygosity. This property is known as homozygosity. This is the upon applying first assumption. Third assumption: X is a set of fixed numbers. This property is known as homozygosity. If it is not hold, problem of heterozygosity arise. Third assumption: X is a set of fixed number and it has rank must be k less than equal to n. Means independent variable is must less than the number of observation. It means that the number of parameters to be estimated are less than the number of observations. Estimation of these parameters of betas with the help of ordinary least square method and applying the assumption implies minimization of sum of squares of the differences between observed and accepted value of the dependent variable denoted by capital YI. The model in matrix form is y is equal to x beta plus u, where y is the n by 1 matrix, x is n by k matrix, beta is k by 1 matrix, and u is n by 1 matrix. Hence the accepted value of y estimated x beta. In accepted value, error term can be ignored, which is accepted value of y residual e is equal to y minus estimated y minus, we know the y is equal to x beta estimated beta. E is known as residual, where y denotes the observed value y denotes the observed value of y1 y2 y3 up to yn. We shall minimize E is also matrix form and E transpose of E for with the help of ordinary least square method. E transpose because E is equal to y minus x estimated beta transpose of this matrix y minus x estimated beta transpose E dash is equal to y transpose E transpose y is equal to y transpose multiplying this one this is transpose y minus estimated beta x transpose y. Now applying multiplying by x betas will get y transpose x estimated beta plus betas x transpose x estimated beta, and this is beta transpose. But y transpose x estimated beta and beta transpose x transpose y are scalar matrix equal to each other. Hence we can take equal to these one, and it will become E transpose is equal to y transpose y minus 2 estimated beta transpose x transpose y betas x transpose x estimated beta. For minimization, we differentiate following with respect to the betas. E transpose equal to 0. After differentiating this expression, will get differentiation of beta is 1, and here betas square and betas square differentiation is x transpose x is constant, 2 betas equal to 0. After simplifying 2 eliminated, x transpose x betas equal to x transpose y. Here second derivative E dash will get second derivative will get only 1 beta. This is differentiation 0 minus 2xy is a constant equal to 0, and differentiation of beta is 1. Then it is a positive quantity 2x dash x, means minimization process. Multiplying both side by here both side by x transpose x inverse minus 1 matrix form. On multiplying we know A into A transpose is equal to I, and I is multiplying from any matrix, it equal to same matrix. Here x transpose x inverse x transpose x is a matrix, and x transpose x multiplication of this is equal to identity matrix. Beta is also a matrix form. X transpose inverse x transpose y. Y is multiplying betas, it will equal to estimated beta, and x transpose x minus inverse x dash y. This is estimated value of beta. For this matrix multiplication knowledge is necessary. Now we will all betas is also matrix form, matrix form k by 1, and we can able to calculate all estimated beta from comparing equality of matrix. This is estimation of general linear model. In this way we can solve any model for any variables. Like two variables has properties, here also properties lies. First, betas is a function of actual observation of y, as is obvious from the formula. We have calculated estimated beta in bracket x transpose x inverse x y betas x transpose x inverse x dash. putting the value of y in matrix form x beta plus u betas. After multiplying that, this x and x become x inverse, and after multiplying x betas plus x dash x inverse x transpose error term. You know A inverse is equal to I matrix, and here this inverse and this multiplication of this is I identity matrix, and identity matrix multiplying from any matrix, it will become beta. Betas is equal to beta x transpose x inverse x u, since this is equal to 1. The above equation states that estimated beta is linear function of y, like in two variables alpha beta are linear function of y. Here all betas are linear function of y. Second property, estimators are unbiasedness. Beta is an unbiased estimate of beta. Estimated beta x dash x minus inverse x transpose y betas on opening and putting the value of y in matrix form x beta u beta x transpose x minus inverse x transpose betas is after multiplying same way x transpose x minus inverse x transpose x betas, and this is multiplied x transpose x minus inverse x transpose u. We know multiplication of this is identity matrix, and identity matrix is multiply any matrix, it will become same matrix. So betas is equal to beta plus x transpose x minus inverse x dash u. Taking acceptation of both sides, estimated beta equal to beta x transpose x inverse x dash, and acceptation of EU, but our first assumption EU is equal to 0. Applying that, we'll get E estimated betas. Here betas in matrix form k by 1 is equal to betas. Hence betas is an unbiased estimate of beta. Our third property is all the parameters have minimum variance. For proving that betas, you always remember estimated beta in matrix form. Beta is equal to beta x transpose x minus inverse matrix x u. We have already proved. After betas coming this side, x transpose x minus inverse x transpose u. We have take for squaring both sides, we will take the transpose of this matrix, and transpose of this matrix betas minus beta is transpose betas minus beta. Here after multiplying them, we will get transpose x transpose x inverse x dash u u transpose x multiplied by x transpose x का whole inverse. Transpose of this also. Taking acceptation of both sides, E acceptation betas minus beta into betas minus beta transpose equal to x transpose x inverse x E u transpose of u dash and x transpose x minus inverse minus 1. We have already proved acceptation of use a if common variance and identity matrix of order n square and any identity matrix multiplied by any matrix, answer will be this one. The variance estimated beta x transpose x minus inverse 1 x dash yes, the variance x transpose x inverse x whole ka inverse, and after multiplying this x transpose x inverse, and this multiplied by x transpose this one, and x transpose x this one. If this one will become identity matrix and will get variance of beta here. Beta will always remember k by 1 matrix, variance x transpose x minus inverse. Then variance of betas are variance error term, identity matrix x transpose x whole ka inverse. Comparison with estimate beta, let us consider another estimate beta beta. Let us consider another estimate beta, say b. Values of b is suppose x transpose x inverse matrix x transpose plus betas y. Let us coefficient of estimate beta is increased by an amount which is also linear function of y to make b an unbiased estimate of beta. We assign following properties of beta. B a new estimator x transpose x minus 1 plus beta, putting the value of y x beta u, on multiplying this one by this one, x transpose x minus 1 and x transpose x, and this is become I, and multiplying by x transpose x inverse x transpose u. After that multiplying betas x betas betas u, taking acceptation of both sides. B is equal to betas x transpose x minus inverse of this one x dash E acceptation u, and here this is identity matrix, so it will become beta. It has become beta, and beta xb and betas eu is equal to 0. Applying the assumption, our final result is EB is equal to betas plus beta x beta. In order to that, B is unbiased estimate of beta. In order to that, beta is unbiased estimate of beta. Beta cross beta, beta x beta is equal to 0, or betas x is equal to 0, or because B is also unbiased. So Bx should be equal to 0. Then variance of B, we know B here variance of B betas plus x transpose x inverse x dash u beta xb plus bu, taking B this side x transpose x inverse matrix x dash u beta xb plus bu here beta x is equal to 0. Since B is also unbiased estimate of beta, B minus betas x transpose x inverse x transpose u plus bu, B betas inverse transpose of B minus B transpose of u dash u transpose x transpose is also x, and transpose of this inverse x transpose x inverse minus 1, and U transpose and beta transpose. Multiplying both matrix B minus betas transpose will get X transpose X inverse matrix X dash U plus BU, and this values U transpose X transpose X inverse of this one plus U transpose beta transpose. First we multiplying this one X transpose X inverse X transpose X and U transpose X transpose X inverse matrix. This X again come and this multiplies by U and beta X transpose X inverse X transpose and U transpose betas. Now beta U multiplying from this one will get beta U transpose X X transpose X का whole inverse plus B U transpose betas, taking acceptation of both sides and applying and substituting applying assumption. We know EUI expression is a variance where IN and beta X is equal to 0. It means beta transpose and X transpose is also equal to 0. Applying that, variance of B is equal to variance X transpose X inverse matrix X dash X transpose X minus 1 and betas plus betas. Here betas, and in this expression variance B is equal to variance X transpose X minus 1 plus variance whole square B betas. B betas will be a positive number, positive matrix, positive not number, positive matrix defines. Hence variance U, putting the value X dash X transpose, this equal to identity matrix, and betas X transpose X minus 1 plus X transpose X minus 1 U dash X plus beta X transpose betas plus B transpose. We know X betas or X transpose betas is also 0. Putting this value will get variance of betas is less than variance B. Variance of actual betas is less than variance B. Thus betas has minimum variance. These all total these properties also called Gauss-Markov theorem. According to Gauss-Markov theorem, under the 5 basic assumptions of the classical linear regression model, the least squares estimators are linear and unbiased estimate. These are also the base of the all linear unbiased estimators. The estimators have a minimum variance with the class of linear unbiased estimate. Sometimes this theorem is referred to be as a BLUE, based linear unbiased estimator theorem. Why BLU is for based linear unbiased estimator and least square estimators, therefore also referred as the BLU. In this way, in matrix form, we can prove the estimation of betas for K experimentary variable and prove all the 3 properties: betas as linears, unbiased, and its variance is less than least means minimized. You read step by step. I have explained you estimation of general linear model and their properties. You prove 3-4 times for examination purpose. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me and concerned your books, Theory of Econometrics by Mandani and Econometrics for Agriculture Workers, Mandani and Mehta, your book Gujarati, you will find which I have today proved, general linear models, estimation and their properties. Thank you. Link of PDF link is also available in my this videos. Okay, thank you.